Product page customization Shopify. So first you have to log into your Shopify, create an account, and in order for you to start with your Shopify store, you have to scroll down right here and then tap on online store. Once you tap this, you have to go to themes, tap themes. Now if you scroll down here, then you will see different or popular free themes that can help you create a good or build a good Shopify store. So all you have to do is to select from any of this. If you tap on visit a theme store, and if you have upgraded your plan from basic, then you will see here different stores, but of course you have to pay for this amount right here in order for you to get one. So for the sake of our tutorial, let's just choose from any of the free themes here. So I'm going to tap on craft, click add. So for you to edit this theme, you have to tap on publish, tap on publish again. Now to start, what you're going to do is tap on customize. So this is the theme that you have selected, which is craft. And as you can see on this section, if you tap this arrow facing down, you can see here the home page. If you want to edit your product page, just tap on product page. Then you will see here that you have 0 products for the meantime. If you have added products, and then if you tap this one, you can see all of the names of your products right here. Also same thing with the collection, and you haven't added one. Collection list, gift card. If you want to edit your cart, check out other pages, if you have other pages or blog posts, and so on. So here on the left side, as you can see, this is, and then as you can see here, this is your header, this is your template, and then footer, this one right here. So if you want to edit your header, you can just basically tap on this one right here if you want to change the announcement bar. If you want to edit this, welcome to our, let's just say, the name of your store. Okay, I have changed the name, tap on save. So don't forget to tap save to save all changes. Okay, so in order for you to start, if you're okay with your header, then you can now move on to template, which is this part right here where you can add collection, featured collection, and so on. But before anything else, before adding images here like your product and collection list, what you're going to do is you have to go back to your Shopify main account. Let's exit this. You need to add products in order for you to add section like collection list or product list on your Shopify store. So you have to add your product first. Let me tap add product right here, and you can add a title, description, picture, category, and so on. So for the sake of this tutorial, I will be adding products, and I'm going to show you the result after. So once you have added your products here, you can add more by tapping add product. You can now go to collections and then start creating a collection here so that you can add section later on our Shopify store. Tap on create collection, title of your collection here. Okay, for example, bestseller. You can add image and then tap on save. So now that we have created one collection, we can now start adding products. Okay, so you can add here and then tap on add. Once done, tap on save. Now you can add more collection if you want. After that, you can now go back to your Shopify store. So you can change the name here if you want. You can change this browse or latest products. Everything is up to you. Now we can start adding a section. So for example, if you want to add section right here, just tap on add section. And once you go back to your Shopify, you can see that your products are already added here automatically. Also for collection name, you can tap this collection name right here and you can choose from your collection. So bestseller. And then here is my other collection. Or you can also add your homepage picture right here. After that, tap on save. Now to add another section, all you have to do is scroll down here And as you can see, there is this plus button below. Tap on this one. So you can add section right here, or you could also go to the left side, tap on add section. Now you have your option if you want to add section like your featured collection, featured product, collection list, or you can also add rich text and so on. So for example, I'm going to add image with text right here. You can tap this one and you should see that section right away. And all you have to do is to add image, for example, your bestseller. Let's just say this one, click done. And then you can add description to this product. All you have to do is to add it right here. And this is what it looks like. Now you can add a more section if you want. But for the next, we're going to go to our footer. So here in your section, if you want to add, aside from your email sign up, you can also tap this add section right here. And then here you can add email sign up if you want, or if you want to add application, then everything is up to you. So you can also tap custom liquid if you want to paste something. For example, go to app site and then look for PayPal Smart button and then paste it right here on your footer, which is this one, something like that. And after that, what you're going to do is tap on save. And there's a lot of things you can do here on your Shopify, but for this tutorial, this is all that I can show you, the basic way on how to build a store here on your Shopify. If you want to go directly to each specific page, you just have to click this one and you will see, for example, go to products. Okay, you can create a template right here. As you can see, assign 6 products and you can just edit each of this section right here. So as a result, here is your Shopify online store. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.